This should be your end result. What's up, guys? So we are going to mount my GoPro 7 to my Icon Air Flite Quicksilver helmet. Sick, right? This shit is awesome. I love it. I haven't tried it yet because it's still cold out here, but one day I'll try it. So I'm using, well, basically I'm using the Moto.
The copy, please. The copy's good. Just read it.
Officially only for the Icon Air Flite. You just as you see there, with the 3M and mounting on my GoPro Hero 7, I'm using the Ulanzi case, which you could put the stupid ass mic adapter that is ridiculous for a GoPro 6 and up, I guess. I think it's 5 and up that you need it to so you can plug a mic in. And this is what the case looks like. I got it off Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks. I'm not sure. I don't know. This is the V2 version, so I don't know what's the difference, but yeah, that's how it looks. Yeah, I'm excited to see how it looks. So I basically already cleaned this part here where it goes, and I'm just gonna wait for that to dry. I'll just take it off. So basically, this is the Motorad's chin mount for the Icon Air Flite. I'm gonna remove the 3M in the back. Man, this will take a while, but you gotta be careful. There you go. So basically, these two little clips back there, they're gonna mount on the last two little air holes on the Air Flite helmet, like so. So you just want to give it a little bit of pressure and just leave it there for about, I'd say about 5 minutes. Yeah, my hand's getting numb. My fingers. Yeah, you really want to be legit with this thing. Also, you gotta at least tether your GoPro, because honestly 3M is good and all, but if it's really hot, this shit will probably melt off. Cause you know the sun is constantly hitting you, so I don't know. I'm gonna tether this thing and the GoPro.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think that's long enough. So go now, grab your GoPro, whichever one you got, stick it on there, add this little, make sure it lines up, and just twist it to wherever you want to make a view. I'm pretty sure that angle is pretty good, because that's the most that you're gonna get. Tighten it, so get a screwdriver and tighten it more if you want, but that's good enough for me. And this is the mic part of it. So I'm just gonna weasel this part in through the middle, probably the hole next to the mount, and just plug it in right there. Give yourself a little bit of slack. I'll probably go around this thing a little bit. Give it some slack. Okay. So I can see most people on YouTube that have this helmet and this GoPro setup, they can't lift their visor up. I think that's dumb. It's hot as shit in those helmets when it's hot out. But they can do whatever they want. So I'm gonna close it. Okay. I'm gonna stick it in there. I'll pull it all out completely. And I'm gonna close it. Oops. Okay, it's closed. Right? It's closed. So now, we're going here. This is the part you talk off. I lost a little squishy, the cat fur. Gotta buy some off Amazon. So what I'm gonna do, I think I'm just gonna go around and just, let me see. Yeah, there's some more I can go around. See that? Just go around. So let me just go like that. Okay. This is the best way for you to do it. Just go around with your hands. Okay, so this should be your end result. So that your face shield can go all the way up. So what I did, I tucked the mic through a little hole there, and then I put some 3M to hold the little bit slack of the wire that I had, and then I just did a whole bunch of turns inside my helmet to make the mic right here. I think that's perfect because it's gonna be down most of the time. That way I can just lift it up and then put it down.